Times Now is the first and the only channel who exposed the role of Anil Adinath Bastawade, who is one of the kingpins of the 4,000 crore mining scam. And even before the government agencies nabbed him, the documents accessed by Times Now expose how the scam money was routed from India by employing a complex web of companies to hide the trail. And by the end of this trail, through 3 countries, Koda's aid ends up buying coal, which his own company had sold, siphoning off crores from the country. Take a look.
The kingpin of the 4,000 crore mining scam is behind bars. But documents assessed by Times Now reveal that the empire built by Madhu Koda's ill-gotten wealth had other important beneficiaries.
Madhu Koda gave his stint money to his man Friday, Manoj Punamia. Manoj Punamia then had a business associate named Sanjay Chaudhary in Dubai. Sanjay Chaudhary roped in Anil Bastawade's expertise. Bastawade at that time was already into construction business in Dubai. Bastawade then started a company called Blue Techno Projects in Indonesia and siphoned off a majority of this cash to his own mining company.
Documents assessed by Times Now shows the agreements entered into multiple firms, from Indonesia to Dubai to Mumbai. But all the firms are indirectly or directly owned by Koda's close aide Manoj Punamia and Sanjay Chaudhary.
Hawala money was used to buy mines in Indonesia. There's a company called Minaratma Abadi in Indonesia. Again, that company owned by one of Madhu Koda's aide, Manoj Punamia. That enters into a bulk deal with another company in Dubai, which is also, a front of one of Madhu Koda's aides. That company in Dubai agrees to buy coal in bulk. That coal, on paper, is routed to Mumbai. And there in Mumbai, there is another company that is Jaguar, that also belongs to Madhu Koda's aide, that actually pays up 4.5 crore for this coal, which never came to Mumbai in the first place. And that's how the entire Hawala money is routed.
But Madhu Koda feigns complete ignorance of these men, who on paper have close ties with his aides.
अनिल बस्तावड़े को जानते हैं सर वो उसको इंडोनेशिया में टाइम्स नाउ ने ट्रैक किया है और उसने ये कहा था कि संजय चौधरी के थ्रू आप एक यूएई में स्टील फैक्ट्री बनाने की सोच रहे थे
नहीं बिल्कुल गलत बात है
During the Times Now investigation which tracked down Anil Bastawade, the scam kingpin had denied knowing Sanjay Chaudhary.
Money trail for your Dubai investment, your construction companies. Are you sure that none of the tainted money from Mr. Koda or people who were associated with him has come to your company? Or perhaps is it possible that you are not aware of it and something has come?
No, how can I not be aware of any money not coming to my account?
But Sanjay Chaudhary and Anil Bastawade are part of the group which owns Camtech Manufacturing, as shown in the IT assessment report.
And now agencies fear that Sanjay Chaudhary may evade arrest again. In 2011, police arrested him in UAE, but he managed to escape. But now, according to investigating agency sources, he's coming up with this alibi of human rights violation to evade arrest again.
With Anil Bastawade behind bars, all eyes now on Sanjay Chaudhary.
He is now the missing link in the 4,000 crore mining scam. Till he is arrested, the agencies will not be able to join the dots and prove how the 4,000 crore scam was finally pulled off. With Poonam Agarwal in Delhi, Vivek Narayan, Mumbai, Times Now.